Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 4, leçon I. And in this lesson we'll discover together how to conjugate le verbe partir. Partir means to leave, okay, at the present form. So we see this verb because this verb is normally quite useful. And then it is not regular, so it belongs to the third group of verbs. So it's always good to see the conjugation together, okay? So the first form is je pars. So final S not pronounced. Je pars. Tu pars. Same form. You can see here and here. So final S not pronounced. Tu pars. Il, elle, part. Final T not pronounced. Il, elle, part. Okay? So you can see that it's part. Part, and then part. Okay, so the same phonetical form for these persons, but then obviously and of course for nous it will be different. So classic ending ONS, you don't pronounce the S, you just have this on sound nasal. Nous partons. Nous partons. Okay, then for vous, classic ending for vous as well, EZ, but then you pronounce it et, vous partez. Vous partez. Okay, and the last persons, il, elle, partent. Remember, classic ending, ENT, but then you don't pronounce them, partent. Partent. Okay, so let's repeat them again. Je pars, tu pars, il part, elle part, nous partons, vous partez, ils partent, elles partent. Okay, so that's it for the verb partir. If you want more lessons, then you can find them at the following address, and then the website is here, imagier.net, if you want more material. Have a great day. Bye bye.